This free AI automates your entire job search, writing custom CVs and cover letters that beat screening bots. I'll show you exactly how to set it up to land more interviews. Stop manually tailoring every single application. This open source project, AI Job Search, turns Claude into your personal career agent that automates the entire process. First, understand this is a full framework you run locally, not some limited web app. It's a structured workflow built in TypeScript with massive community trust, almost 12,000 stars on GitHub. You fork the entire project, giving you full control. It uses Claude Code as its engine, but it's an independent open source tool. The philosophy is simple. You set up your deep professional profile once, then let a team of AI agents handle the repetitive work of every single application. The core workflow is 3 simple commands. First, /setup, where you build a deep, structured profile of your entire career. This becomes the single source of truth. Second, /scrape, which searches job portals for roles that actually fit that profile, scoring and ranking them for you. And third, /apply. This is the execution step that kicks off a full pipeline to draft, review, and finalize a tailored CV and cover letter. This structured approach is what turns the chaos of job hunting into a defined process. Getting started requires some one-time setup on your machine. Be warned, this isn't a simple web app. The prerequisites are clear. You'll need Python, Bun for the TypeScript CLI tools, and a LaTeX distribution. The LaTeX part is crucial. That's how it generates professional-grade, perfectly formatted CVs that stand out. You'll follow the quick start guide in the README, forking the repo and running several Bun install commands for the different job search agents. This initial investment of 15 minutes is what unlocks hundreds of hours of automation later. With the tools installed, you launch Claude Code and run /setup. This is where the magic starts. You feed the AI your entire career history. The best part is the flexibility. Point it to a documents folder with your old CVs, diplomas, and reference letters for the deepest analysis, or just paste in a single CV. You can even have the AI interview you and build your profile from scratch. The outcome is a set of structured markdown files that codify your experience. This is what enables hyper-tailored applications later on. More detail in, better results out. Once your profile is ready, you find jobs with /scrape. Now the framework ships with scrapers for the Danish market, but it's built to be extended. The key for global users is the built-in country-agnostic LinkedIn searcher. It works right out of the box, has 0 runtime dependencies, and lets you target any location with a simple flag, from Berlin to Mumbai, or just remote. Crucially, it only uses LinkedIn's public, unauthenticated guest endpoints, though you should still keep volume low. This makes the tool immediately useful, anywhere in the world. Running /scrape is more than just getting a list of links. The AI analyzes each job posting against your detailed profile and returns a ranked shortlist with a concrete fit score. If a scrape job list is too long, you can run /rank to batch score them all. It flags strengths, weaknesses, and potential deal breakers, like a skill gap or a low salary benchmark. This lets you immediately triage opportunities and focus your energy on the roles where you have the highest probability of success. It prevents you from wasting time applying for long-shot jobs. Now for the magic. Pick a promising job and use the /apply command with the job's URL or by pasting the description. This single command kicks off a multi-stage automated pipeline. First, it parses the job posting. Then it evaluates the fit against your profile in detail. Next, it drafts a tailored CV and cover letter in LaTeX. After that, it spawns a second agent to review and critique the drafts, revises them, and finally compiles the PDFs, inspecting them for layout errors, all from one command. The output is a complete, ready-to-send application package. The system doesn't just stuff keywords. It intelligently reframes your past experience. For example, it might reorder your project list to put the most relevant one first. The cover letter isn't generic. It's forward-looking, connecting your specific skills to the company's stated needs and recent activities. Because it's based on your real profile, it never fabricates skills. You get a set of compiled, polished PDF files ready for review and submission, with a checklist of what was done. Here's what makes this so powerful: the drafter-reviewer workflow. One AI agent acts as the drafter, writing the CV and cover letter. Then, the system spawns a completely separate reviewer agent with a fresh context. This second agent's only job is to critique the drafts from the perspective of a cynical hiring manager and a company insider. It researches the company and looks for weaknesses, generic language, or missed opportunities. The drafter then incorporates this feedback. This adversarial process is an automated quality control loop that catches errors a single agent would miss. But the real killer feature is the PDF and ATS verification loop. It's a painful truth that most applicant tracking systems are dumb bots that can't read fancy resumes. This tool compiles the latex into a PDF, then uses PDF totext to extract the raw text layer, seeing the document exactly as an ATS bot would. It checks for garbled glyphs, ensures contact info is readable, and verifies keyword coverage. If the layout is broken, like a page break in a bad spot, it automatically applies fixes and recompiles until the PDF is perfect. This step alone saves your application from the digital trash bin. Look at the difference this makes. On the left, a resume that looks beautiful to a human, but its raw text layer is a jumbled mess of garbage characters and broken lines. An ATS parser would instantly reject this. On the right, the output from AI job search. The text is clean, structured, and perfectly readable for a machine. This isn't just a formatting issue, it's a deliverability issue. One gets you ghosted by a parser, the other gets you seen by a hiring manager. This verification is what gets you past the first filter. This is more than a job application tool. It's a career co-pilot. Once you start applying, use the outcome command to track what happens: interviews, offers, rejections. The system archives the materials and uses this feedback to help you calibrate your future searches. Even better is /upskill. It analyzes the gap between your profile and your target jobs, then creates a prioritized learning plan. It shows you the exact skills you need to build to be more competitive, complete with web search study resources. It turns your job search into a strategic career development loop. The entire framework is built for deep customization. Don't like the default resume style? Use /add-template to wire in your own latex files. The system interviews you to learn the template's rules, like compile engine and page limits, ensuring perfect output every time. Need to search jobs in a market not covered out of the box? Run /add-portal. It investigates a new job board's URL and scaffolds a brand new, market-specific CLI skill for you to use. This isn't a walled garden. It's a system designed for you to bend and shape to your exact needs. So let's be honest, this is not a simple one-click web app. It's a power tool for developers and technical users that requires some command line setup. That initial effort is a filter, but this one-time investment saves you hundreds of hours of soul-crushing, repetitive work. Also, remember that output quality is directly proportional to input quality. A thin, lazy profile will generate generic, spammy applications. A detailed profile with concrete achievements and star examples produces genuinely compelling results that get you noticed. So is this for you? If you're a software engineer or in a technical role, absolutely yes. This setup is your day job. If you're a non-tech power user who isn't afraid of a terminal, it's a strong maybe. The advantage you'll gain is massive. But if you're an absolute beginner with computers, this probably isn't the right tool for you today. It's a professional-grade framework, and it expects a professional user. So fork the repo, run /setup, and automate your job hunt. To make it foolproof, download my free ATS proofing checklist and a pack of setup prompts from the link in the description. Go get that job.